Hey there, I'm Pip, and welcome to the machine.
Oh, hey, Pip, what's a machine like you doing in a place like this, huh?
Here you can find all of your pharmaceutical needs, from cough syrup to condoms.
Hey, cough syrup and condoms, huh?
What can I help you with today?
Pip, there is this girl.
Say no more, here are some options.
On second thought, I'm not gonna need anything. Oh, it was just a dream.
Hi there, I'm Ricardo and I'm your Communication and Student Advocacy Coordinator here at FSU. Thank you for your most recent purchase and we hope you've enjoyed the extra surprise. Wink! Here at the machine, we are your one-stop shop for everyday essentials at a price you cannot beat. We have everything from dental dams, Diva cups to deodorant. Even Band-Aids, Benadryl and body wash, all at cost, passing the savings right on to you. And with your recent purchase, do not forget to ask the cutie before you touch the booty. Seriously, I mean.